for our brother, for our friends and our children, it will be necessary, required for senior. Thank you.
Alright. Do you have question, Mr. Shukri?
Yes.
Please ask
Yeah.
him.
Beside the Prophet Muhammad and the ones who passed away long hundreds, thousands ago. Yes. Alright. Thousands years ago. Do you regard somebody else to be your hero even you do not ever witness him? You have never encountered him. For example, someone comes seeing you and say, "Wow, okay. Ketawa aja." Somebody comes to you and say, "There is somebody called hero. He did this, did that, and automatically, do you feel the same, or do you assume the same as he does? He believes somebody is to be hero, and can you automatically speculate is he does, or you do not?"
Yeah, not sure because he not touch my life.
Huh?
He not touch my life. What is? Yeah. He not give give something change for my life. But he just inspire me. Not give his weak, his strongness for myself. But for hero, he is give helpness for me.